Question number 3b. A hexagon plane of 40 mm side has its corner A in the HP. The surface of the plane is inclined at 40 degrees to HP. The diagonal containing that corner A is inclined at 35 degrees to the VP. Draw its projections. As the inclination of the surface is given with HP, the true shape of the given hexagon will be visible in top view. So we'll start with top view in this question. Let's start the solution. XY line. The easiest way to draw the hexagon is using the circle method. Given side should be taken as radius 40 mm. Draw the circle faint as it is a part of construction. We need the corner in HP, so here you should need a corner here. So using this as the cutting point. As we need the corner in HP, using this as a center with the same radius with which the circle was drawn, cutting an arc on both sides. Similarly from this side. Let's complete the hexagon. Labels. Without considering the surface angle, the complete hexagon will be in HP. Corresponding front view names. Now taking the surface angle here. Given surface angle is 40 degrees. Transferring this length and points here. The point on HP, A dash, this D dash. Distance A to B and D to E are same. Taking the projectors down and form the top view. B and F will be here. C and E will be here. This much will be dark. A on this line, A on this line, this becomes A1. Names will be changing because the shape is going to change. B1, C1, D1, E1. Join these points in sequence. Now, in the question it is said the diagonal containing that corner. So we are talking about diagonal AD. And it is mentioned the diagonal containing that corner is inclined at 35 degrees. So here, as you can see, this is the actual length of the diagonal AD and this is the reduced length, or you can say top view of the diagonal. So you don't have to use this length to incline at 35 degrees. Instead, we have to keep this AD, the true length, at 35 degrees. So here the locus method will be involved. Taking the projector forward, a new point A1. Okay, the angle 35 degrees. On this you have to keep this diagonal. Drawing locus here. Now transferring this length. So this is point D. This is D1. Now locating the remaining points. The distance from A to F will be same as A to B, and it will be same from D to E and D to C. So keeping on this point, drawing two arcs, keeping on this point, drawing another two arcs. You don't have to intersect them, okay? For locating B, once you have taken distance from A, now take the distance from D. So opposite distance you have to take. I'm taking from A to B. It's same from D to F. So keeping here, cutting on the opposite points. Similarly, keeping here, cutting on the opposite points. So this is one point, this is another, this is, and this one. So if you incline it this way, this will be B1, this will be C1, D1 is here, E1 and F1. We have just inclined it, the shape is not changing, hence the name remains same. Now you just have to take it up and complete the final front view. Let us extend the XY line. A is on this line, A is on this XY, A1 dash, B on this vertical projector, here it will be on this line, C, F is on the same line here. You may get it on different line. Join the points in sequence. Given dimension. This completes the solution.